Profile settings. Your Orderhive profile provides an overview of your details as a seller. Through the profile page, you can manage your personal details and other settings such as time zone, default currency, weight, length, and default date format for your Orderhive account. This video will explain how your profile would look and how you can edit details in it. The first change we recommend is uploading a profile picture. Click on Upload button to add a picture. Clicking on Remove will remove the profile picture and put you back to a grey and white avatar. The next two fields are name and email address. You can add your full name in the name field. The email field will currently show the registered email address. In Orderhive, we cannot change the account email address due to security reasons. If you are an account owner and need to change email address, please contact our support. If you are a sub-user, contact account owner to invite you on the new email address and deactivate older one. Next, you can set a password for your account. If you have to change it, click on Change in the text box field and set a new password. Moving on from personal details, you will see customer correspondence address. This is the email address on which your customers will reply for emails sent to them from Orderhive. Once you're done, you will find details related to your Orderhive account. Changing your time zone and date format will convert all the timings shown for all the orders in Orderhive. Default currency will vary from country to country. This currency would be shown for pricing of products in your inventory and for orders received. You cannot change the default currency of your Orderhive account. If you sell products of only one category, you are going to measure weight in same units for all your products. You can set a default weight unit to a specific unit type. For example, a grocery seller would always measure the sellable product in kgs or pounds. Here, the seller can set default weight unit as kgs. Similarly, if the length of products is measured in a single unit, you can also specify in default length unit drop-down box. On clicking on Save button on the bottom, changes will be saved in your account.